Hi guys, 6:16 PM na, iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Yes, maaga po tayo dahil po kanina we started 12:15 AM and then most of the time, third attempt, saka lang po tayo nakapag-share ng napakaikli pong sharing just because hindi po nakisama wifi earlier. So ngayon po, I hope there's an audio and everything, yeah, BFFs. Inagaan natin, of course, no pressures for tomorrow, for everything that we'll be discussing now, pang bukas. So, linggo. So, anong gagawin tomorrow, Sunday, anong pwedeng gawin, anong hindi pwedeng gawin. Kung hindi man pwedeng gawin, ano ang pwedeng pangontra, at kung may gagawin ka, you want the best out of it. For all we know, what makes us happy is getting what we want. Di po ba, BFF? Okay, eto po. Discuss natin. Sunday, October 13 is labeled as the Metal Dog Enters the Established Officer Day. So, Kuya Norman, ano ba yung linggo na dog day mo? Ano pwedeng gawin? Okay, let us see. Suitable for seeking blessings, making a donation, house cleaning, tama-tama, pursuing studies and meeting friends. Avoid traveling, legal matters, moving house, utility services, and fermentation. Not good for tomorrow. But we know better, BFF Lagyan natin ng daily chimen. Ayan. At least we still get the desired outcome. So, October 13 Metal Dog says here, entity with finances, business, whole day Green Dragon. Ito na, meron tayong whole day Green Dragon. Oh, sarap nito. And it's backing to Southeast. Anything to do with if you're a blogger, content maker, 10x being beautiful and handsome, online platform, talikod naman sa West. If you want to create opportunities and also heart-to-heart talk, yan ganda nito. Negotiations, talikod po. And as for noble people, helpful people, talikod naman sa Northeast. Health is wealth, talikod naman po sa East. There you have it. So, if I were you, I'll use Southeast backing, for it has the Green Dragon buong araw. Yun po, buong araw may Green Dragon. So, yun po. Now, lagyan natin sa mga nagre-request ng daily, ng hourly chimen. Meron ba tayo niyan, Kuya Norman? Meron naman po tayo niyan. Okay. Sabi po dito, as early as 5 a.m. to 6:59 a.m., Jade Maiden watching the door, talikod sa Northeast. 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m., Flying Bird fall into cave wherein blessing comes to you, talikod naman sa Southwest. And another Flying Bird fall into cave, talikod sa Southeast. That's from 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. Okay, so BFF, let's again keep it short. It's a Saturday. Maybe some of you are out having their great time with the family, enjoying life. Sa mga brethren naman, having their fellowship or maybe their stated meeting now. Well, yun po, Saturday. And of course, it's a mellow down and we would like to keep it short and simple. So don't forget tomorrow, use a Southeast backing. When you manifest and you pray, push mo yan, pray until something happens. You let go of bad things. You open up for new opportunities. You give thanks. You ask for what you want and you give it back to society. Again, our exchange of energy, BFF. Don't forget, like and share. Mas marami po tayong like and share. Many may benefit from this. Of course, this is a more advanced sharing. Kasi po, iba gusto. Ano ba yung animal sign ko ngayon? Ano ba, hindi po ba? Okay. Pag nalaman mo yung animal sign mo na, ganito nga po, this and that, what would you do? So, ito po, at least we can do something about it. Hindi po ba, it's for everyone. At least we know, ay nga pala, I didn't share. Sige po, animal sign. Sorry for that, Animal sign. Tingnan nga natin. Okay, rat's not so good. Ox is average. Tiger and rabbit, very good. Dragon, not so good. Snake, average. Horse, very good. Goat, average. Monkey and rooster, not so good. Dog, very good. And pig, average. So, yun po, hinabol natin. Naalala ko bigla. Okay, BFF. As I mentioned earlier, let's keep it short and simple. At least tomorrow, Sunday, don't forget your obligations po. With a grateful heart, you share. Sharing po importante. And again, BFF, see you again tomorrow night. And let's continuously pray for each other. Let us continuously pray for our leaders, for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. And with a grateful heart, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless. Good night and see you again tomorrow. Happy Sunday. Bye-bye.